Solve the differential equation y prime is equal to cosine x minus y secant x when x is 0, y is equal to 1. So, this is a problem, this DE requires a particular solution because we have the condition that when x is 0, y is 1. So once we get the general solution, we need to find the value of c by plugging in the values of x and y. But we still need to get first the general solution. So what type of differential equation is this? This is actually a first-order linear DE in y. It takes the form dy, or it can take the form dy over dx plus p of xy equals q of x, right? But we need to manipulate by transposing this negative y secant x to the left side. So by the way, y prime is just the same as dy over dx in Leibniz notation, right? So we can write y prime as dy over dx and then transpose this negative y secant x to the left. So from negative on the right, if you transpose it to the left, it will become positive y secant x, then equal to cosine x. So if we pattern the given dE to this form, so this is the dy over dx, this is the y. What is the p of x? The function of x multiplied by y, the secant x. So p of x is secant x, and the q of x is the function of x on the right side, cosine x, right? Q of x is cosine x. So how to solve first order linear DE? We need to find the integrating factor, or IF for short. So what is the formula for integrating factor? So IF is equal to e raised to the integral of p of x dx. So e raised to the integral, what is the p of x? Secant x, right? So secant x dx equal e to the integral of, what is the integral of secant x dx? It is a standard integral formula, equal to ln of secant x plus tan x. Okay? And applying the inverse property for base c and ln, if you have e to the ln x, it's equal to x, right? So therefore, you can just cancel this. We just have absolute value of secant x plus tan x. Or you can just omit the absolute value. It's not important. We can have the integrating factor simply as secant x plus tan x. So now that we have the integrating factor, we can write the general solution. So what is the general solution for first order linear DE? So whatever is your dependent variable, in our case, y. Why? Because it is the function on the numerator in the derivative notation. So multiply the dependent variable y by the integrating factor and then equate it to the integral of q of x times the integrating factor dx plus c. So this is the general solution. Then we just need to substitute the value of if, which is secant x plus tan x. So therefore we have y times integrating factor secant x plus tan x equal to the integral of q of x. So q of x is cosine x times the integrating factor again, secant x plus tan x dx plus c. So we have y secant x plus tan x equal to the integral of cosine x secant x tan plus tan. So you can distribute this cosine. So cosine x times, applying the reciprocal identity for secant x, it is 1 over cosine x plus cosine x times tan x. So applying the identity for tan x, it is sine x over cosine x dx plus c. So therefore, we have y times secant x plus tan x equal to the integral of cosine x times 1 over cosine x. Cancel cosine x. We just have 1 plus cosine x times sine x over cosine x. Cancel the cosine x. We just have sine x dx plus c. And then we can distribute the integral symbol. So integral of 1 dx or dx plus integral of sine x dx plus c. Let's continue here. So what we have so far, on the left side, y times secant x plus tan x is equal to the integral. Let's integrate integral of dx. X. Integral of dx is x plus the integral of sine x dx, negative cosine x. So let's erase. We have negative cosine x and then plus c. So this is the general solution, but the problem requires a particular solution. It states that when x is 0, y is 1. So we must solve for c. We can solve for the constant c by substituting the values of x0 and y1 in the general solution. So y is 1 times secant of x, which is 0, plus tan of x, which is 0, equals x0 minus cosine x0 plus c. So 1 times, what is secant 0? 1, right? Plus tan 0. So 1 plus tan 0, 0 equals 0, no need to write that, minus cosine 0, negative 1, plus c. So to solve for c, transpose this negative 1 to the left. So we have 1 plus 0 or simply 1. Then from negative 1 on the right, transpose it to the left, it will become positive 1 equals c. So 1 plus 1, 2 is equal to c. So therefore, the value of c is 2. So the particular solution is y times the quantity secant x plus tan x equals to x minus cosine x. You substitute the value of c, which is 2. So we have plus 2. This is the particular solution. So in particular solution, you don't have the constant c anymore.